Hey guys, welcome to vtechacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve few examples on algebraic expression under multiplication. So here add 3 by 4 x square plus 1 by 5 y square minus 3 by 7 z square, and the second expression is 1 by 4 x square minus 3 by 5 y square plus 1 by 7 z square, and we have the third expression as x square minus 2y square plus z square by vertical method. Now let us write all these three expressions one below the other such that the like terms appear in the same column. So here, writing all these three expressions in an order, we get the first expression as 3 by 4 x square plus 1 by 5 y square minus 3 by 7 z square. And the second expression would come as 1 by 4 x square minus 3 by 5 y square plus 1 by 7 z square. And here this third expression would come as x square minus 2y square plus z square. Now let us add all these three expressions. And now here, by adding all the x terms, we get here 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 x square. And now here, by taking the LCM as 4, we get 3 plus 1. And here, by multiplying 4 in the numerator and denominator, we get here 4 into x square. And here, by adding the numerator terms, we get 8 divided by 4 x square. And here, by simplifying, we get 4 one time is 4 and 4 two times is 8. We get here as 2x square. Now let us write this over here. We get here 2x square. Now let us add all the y square terms. We get 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 into y square. And now here the LCM is 5, and we can write this as 1 minus 3 minus, and here by multiplying 5 in the numerator and denominator, we get here as minus 5 minus 2 times is minus 10 into y square. And now here, by simplifying the numerators, we get minus 12 divided by 5 y square. Now let us write this over here. We get minus 12 divided by 5 y square. And now here, let us add all the z square terms. We get minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 into z square. And now here the LCM is 7, and we can write this as minus 3 plus 1, and here by multiplying 7 in the numerator and denominator, we can write here as 7 into z square. So here, by simplifying the numerator, we get here 5 divided by 7 z square. Now let us write this over here. We get 5 by 7 z square. So we get the solution as 2x square minus 12 by 5 y square plus 5 by 7 z square. Now let us proceed and solve another example over here. So here we have add 2 by 5m plus 3 by 4n minus 4 by 7p, and the second expression is minus 2 by 5m minus 3 by 4n plus 4 by 7p by horizontal method. Now let us add these two expressions. We get 2 by 5m plus 3 by 4n plus minus 4 by 7p plus of minus 2 by 5m minus 3 by 4n plus 4 by 7p. So by adding, this would come as 2 by 5m plus 3 by 4n minus 4 by 7p. And here by adding we get minus 2 by 5m and minus 3 by 4n, and here plus 4 by 7p. And here plus 2 by 5m and minus 2 by 5m get cancelled. Similarly 3 by 4n and minus 3 by 4n get cancelled, and here minus 4 by 7p and plus 4 by 7p get cancelled. So we get the result as 0. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an algebraic expression under addition. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.